Yes, we are. 13 assembly segments of the outer-Manipur Parliamentary constituency. They are going for polls on the 26th of April. So put together 857 polling stations, including 9 special polling stations are going for polls. And they are all part of the outer-Manipur Parliamentary constituency. And all the necessary arrangements have been done. And 87 companies of Central Paramilitary Forces and more than 4,000 personnel from State Police Force are being deployed for doing the security related work to ensure that the elections are free and fair and incident free. Also, there are 191 polling stations which shall be managed exclusively by women polling personnel. And we are going to do webcasting of the critical and the vulnerable polling stations, and all the measures are being taken to ensure that the voting experience is pleasant for each and every voter who comes to our polling stations. I'll also appeal to all the voters of the assembly segments who are going for polls on the 26th of April that they should come out in large numbers and make their voices heard through their vote, and they should be voting without being influenced by any kind of inducement or any kind of illegal threat or any kind of allurement or pressure from undesirable sources.
Is a special polling station also?
Yes, we are going to have 9 special polling stations in 3 districts: Tengnopal, Jiribam and Ukhrul for the internally displaced.